Quran is the theory, Hadith is its explanation, and Seerah is its model of implementation, a practical model. Sahaba radiallahu anhum took this. They studied the Quran, they memorized the Quran, they recited it in prayers, they understood it because Quran said, لَعَلَّكُمْ تَعْقِلُونَ, so that you understand. And they pondered it. لِيَدَّبَّرُوا آيَاتِهِ, because Allah said, I sent down this Quran so that they ponder, they think over, and they interacted with it. لِيَتَذَكَّرَ أُولُو الْأَلْبَابِ, so that people of understanding, they take lessons from it. They taught it to their children. That was their Islamic studies. In the name of Islamic studies, today, it's a joke. Honestly, it's a joke. They teach everything except the Quran. I mean, they don't understand the Quran. Our children, after studying 10 years of Islamic studies, they don't understand even one line of the Quran.